Hey guys, quick video for you. What are some alternatives to the Brilliant.org? So the first one is the free blue one brown, which is kind of like the is a primary YouTube channel about discovery and creative in math. So this is something that you can actually like check out. Maybe it's going to be beneficial. The next one is Mathigon. So with the Mathigon is a very beautiful done set of interactive articles on sort of fun topics in math. So you have like free tools, courses, manipulative to make online learning more interactive. It's a textbook of the future for secondary mathematics, and also hands down the best virtual manipulative site that like plenty of people have come across. They really liked it. So something to do and check out. Also, this is like not the textbooks, like videos, so you kind of like have to engage, and that's like very good thing. And it's focused on secondary high school math, less computer science content than Brilliant, and smaller course library. And this is something that you can actually check out. Now the next one is like very popular one, and that's a Khan Academy. So with the Khan Academy, it's is one of the biggest alternatives. So American website that offers free online courses across a wide range of subjects. Also non-profit entity. It's free and it's incredibly comprehensive all the way through calculus. It offers subjects not seen on Brilliant, even like grammar. Covers math, science, computing, economics, arts, and humanities. But it's like less gamified, puzzle-based than Brilliant, more video lecture style versus interactive discovery, and exercise feels more traditional. So this is something that you can actually get. So these are the kind of like the alternatives. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.